This is a jerk chicken with sweet potato made in the Ninja Soup Maker. I've done it on the chunky setting and then gave it a quick blast at the end to change up the consistency a little bit. But you can make it on the smooth setting or just on the chunky setting and leave it as it is. So let me show you how I made it. So the ingredients that you need is some cooked or raw chicken, an onion, a sliced red chilli, some sweet potato, a red pepper, some vegetable or chicken stock, chopped tomatoes or passata, and some Jamaican jerk spice. So start off by adding the quartered onion to the Ninja jug, and then you can just put the lid on and you can get the Ninja to chop it up nice and small. This is an optional step. You can, of course, just chop it up yourself with a knife, or you can just use the Ninja. And then next, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So if you take the lid off, you can see it's chopped up nice and small. So first up, we're going to add the red pepper. All the ingredients are listed in the description below. And next, we're going to add so I've peeled the sweet potato, chopped it up into nice small chunks, added that next. Then a sliced red chilli. That's optional, you don't have to add the red chilli if you don't want it so hot. Some chopped tomatoes, or you could use fresh tomatoes or passata. So just add that straight in on top of the sweet potatoes and make sure you scrape everything out and none of it goes to waste. Then next we're going to add in the raw or cooked chicken. You can use chicken breasts or boneless chicken thighs. And then finally, I use a tablespoon of Jamaican jerk spice. You can use more or less depending on how you like it. Then I've added 2 teaspoons of vegetable powder. Or you could use chicken stock instead if you wanted to. Next, add hot water straight to the jug. Give it a little bit of a stir as well, because you'll find that the water will then drain down and you can add more. Make sure you can add more hot water. You could use cold water. I just prefer to use hot water because it just guarantees that things like sweet potato are going to just cook all the way through and be nice and soft. Just stir it round. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this recipe, and then you can get notified when I release any more soup maker recipes. Really appreciate your support. So next we're going to put the lid onto the soup maker jug and secure it. Switch the soup maker on, and I'm going to put this one on chunky. Like I said at the beginning, you could use the smooth soup function if you want to. So when it's finished, take the lid off. Nice and hot and steamy. So I like to have a little quick look to see what the consistency is like and to make sure it's soft. So you could serve it like that, it'll still taste good. But I quite fancy just giving it a quick blast just to change the consistency slightly. So I just switch it on and just press the blend quickly just for a few seconds. And you can see how it's changed it and completely changed up the texture. So what I decided to do with this soup is to add some more hot water just to loosen it up a little bit and not make it quite so thick. So now I'm going to serve the soup. It's really nice consistency, tastes really good. Give it a quick taste test to see if it needs any more seasoning. Otherwise, it's good to enjoy now. I hope you enjoyed this soup maker recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.